Fake news. If you say something smooth enough, people will believe you. Fake news is very popular in politics, but it's always been a problem. Back in the day, it used to just be referred to as lying, and how we exaggerate the truths. Fake news is extreme stories that people want you to believe so you think a certain way. This typically discredits others. With social media to spread the word quickly, very few people take time to see the legitimacy of what they read. Some reasons for this is bribery and discrediting candidates, of course, to raise yourself up. If we can get you to hate someone else, whether it's true or not, then we've already won. Make sure the sources isn't missing important information like a date, name, or credentials of the author or company. Ask questions. Why was the article written? Ask what their message is, and that can help keep us from being persuaded wrongly. Just like advertisements want to sell you something, fake news wants you to believe something. These stories normally border the extreme, where it's interesting enough to have you share with others, but not so surprising it's impossible. We all inherently have biases. And when we get that information from others, these biases warp what we think of it. These biases can come from everyone, peers, teachers, adults, the internet, and culture. It's important that people are able to discern through the facts to find the truth. Furthermore, we as authors have to be careful that when writing, our own biases don't interfere and hurt our reputation as a writer. As always, God bless and stay safe.